So we have started our second chapter, right? In that we have, that is polynomial, and then we have started exercise 2.2. I have given some homework. Have you understood? Second, third, and sixth. Have you understood?
Yes.
Everybody?
Yeah.
Everybody has understood now? Okay. So we are moving ahead with fourth and fifth number. Fourth question is that 4u square plus 8u. So what you have to do now? You just take out the common, you will get this answer. Right? Just a minute, huh? So our question is that fourth number IV. 4u square plus 8u. So here what you have to do, just take out the common. So from here you can take it out 4u as a common and you will get u plus 2. Right? 4 2 is 8. So what are your zeros? Your zeros will be 4u is equal to 0, or you can write u plus 2 is equal to 0. Right? These two zeros only you will get. So you will get u is equal to 0 upon 4 is equal to 0 only. That is your first zero. And second is what? U is equal to minus 2. That is your second zero. So the two zeros of this given polynomial is equal to 1 is 0 and second one would be minus 2. That would be there. I hope you have understood everything now.
Yes.
Right? Okay. Chaliye. Now what you have to do? Now you have to find it out product and the sum. Can you find it out yourself now?
मैम देखो मैंने किया है.
किया है ना आपने? Means everybody can complete it or not? Parts? Show me in your notebook. Now you have to find it out, right? Product and the multiplication. And then verify with this minus b upon a and c upon a that Harshita has done. Dhairya, have you completed? Okay. What is the spelling of your name?
क्या मैम?
Dhairya. यहाँ पे धैर्य is written, but is where is in your spelling where is e is coming? This is the right spelling, huh? But in your application form you have written the another name, beta. Okay. So make sure these things now. Chaliye. Now I hope everyone has understood this sum. Afterwards you have to find it out product and the sum. Okay. Chaliye. Moving on with the next now. Next what will be there? T square minus 15. So we in a fifth number. T square minus 15 is there. So you can write 0 only. T square is equal to 15. Or directly you can write minus 15 is equal to 0. You can write t square is equal to plus 15. So t is equal to under root of 15 will come. Right? So what is the two factors? The factors would be of plus and minus under root of 15. So these are two factors. Are you getting the point or not?
मैम मैंने जो किया है वो राइट है देखो ना
एक मिनट
मतलब आगे करना बाकी है
हाँ that you have written now. T is equal to minus 15 or T is equal to plus 15. That would be your answer. You can directly also like that way.
मैम इतना ही आंसर आगे नहीं करना
हाँ बेटा
आगे नहीं करना इतना ही आंसर
नहीं आगे करना है ना अल्फा प्लस बीटा एंड अल्फा into बीटा sum and product you have to find it out and then you have to convert minus b upon a and c upon a also.
ओके
That you have to complete means verification you have to do. I am just finding out your zeros. So here you are going to get the zeros as a plus under root of 15 and minus under root of 15. These two are your zeros. Okay. Then afterwards you have to go for the verification. Okay everyone. Chaliye. Now we are going with the second question. I just hope that you will complete it yourself now. Say me yes or no.
मैम ये वाला नहीं हो पाएगा करवाऊँ
कितना ये 5th नंबर
हाँ हाँ फिफ्थ वाला
didn't get it. कौन सा नहीं होगा?
फिफ्थ वाला फिफ्थ वेरिफिकेशन अल्फा प्लस बीटा
Done.
करना
I
है
am doing that. So here you have got that plus and minus 50 as a 2 0. Now first we are finding the alpha plus beta. What is alpha plus beta? 2 zeros only. So plus under root of 50 minus under root of 15. It will be a 0 only. And alpha into beta minus under root of 15 into plus under root of 50. So what you are going to get? Minus 50 also under root of 50 into under root of 15 is equal to 50 and plus minus 15 you are going to get it. Now verify with the equation. Alpha plus beta is equal to minus b upon a. So what is the coefficient of b? That is 0 only. 0 upon 1. Or 0 upon 1 is equal to also 0 because we have t square minus 50. So coefficient of h is not given. So it would be 0 only ultimately. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. And coefficient of a means this delta a. Right? That is 1 only. You have got the 0 that is good. The answer would be same. Now here alpha into beta. So beta is under root of 50 minus under root of 50 into under root of 1. This is 1. P upon a. What is the C now?
Zero.
Given
Zero.
minus 15 only. So minus 15 upon 1 is equal to minus 15. And it is verified. Okay. Understood now everyone?
Yes.
Okay. That way you have to complete now. Hence it is verified that you will write yourself. Okay, Zaira. Okay. Chale. Now moving on the second question. It is that find the quadratic polynomial each with the given number as sum and the product of its zeros respectively. So first what is given? Your sum is given. See, for this you have to remember one formula. Okay, the formula is that x square plus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta. This is the formula to find it out the quadratic equation. First, what is given? Alpha plus beta is equal to given 1 upon 4. And alpha into beta is equal to given minus 1. Have you understood this? This is the formula that you have to remember. This is okay to everyone? Now, we have been given that alpha plus beta is equal to 1/4 and alpha into beta is equal to given -1. Now, directly in this equation, we are putting the values. So, what you will get? X square plus alpha into beta is equal to what? 1/4 into x. Alpha into beta is given -1. So, plus into minus become -1. Now, it is 4. Right? So what you have to do? You just take out the LCM. So what you will get? 4x square plus x minus 4 is equal to 0. This is your polynomial. Are you getting this? Now here we come -1. Now is it clear to everyone? If you have any doubt, you can ask me now. Any doubt? बोलो समझ में आया कि नहीं आया है? No answer. And I insist to everyone, Nidhi also. Nidhi, Parth, Vedant, they have not completed the post test. Complete everybody, post test. Okay.
अभी तो कोई नए है ही नहीं, मैं तो सब खत्म कर दिया.
जिसका बाकी वो अभी निधि का सारे बाकी है. Vedant also is left to complete. शशांक, महेंद्र.
मैम इंग्लिश का कब करोगे?
इंग्लिश का नहीं होगा बेटा. Don't worry
क्यों?
about English ना.
ओके मैम.
जितने होते होते तो कर लीजिए पहले. Complete first for this one. है ना? फिर हम करेंगे, पहले ये तो कर लीजिए आप.
दिया.
Okay. Now rest of the sum. Second sum is what? In notebook पे मंगवाने वाले. Okay. I am asking you for the notebook. So try to complete it. Now your second question is sum is given with alpha plus beta is given under top 2 and alpha into beta is equal to given 1/3. So put in this equation what you will get? X square minus alpha into beta means under top 2x. Here plus only 1/3 is given. Alpha into beta means 1/3 is given. So what you will get? We don't want the denominator. This is also possible. But find it out the LCM. So what will become? Will become 3x square minus 3 under top 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. This will become your quadratic equation or quadratic polynomial. Or you can write this one only. Not in 0. Is it clear to everyone? समझ में आ रहा है कि नहीं आ रहा है? Everybody? If I am talking about the science, only Neil, Harshika, Urvashi, Riddhi, Mayur, Dheya and Harshita Joy Prajapati. Those only has completed. Nitin Prajapati is left. Ayan, Varun, Nidhi, Rishit also is left. Vedant, Mahendra, Nitin, Shashank, Ivan. These all are left to complete the post pre-test as well as the post test of these all the chapters. Try to complete it. Okay, everyone.
मैम थोड़ा साइड में खसो, मेरा बाकी लिखो.
Take it now, चलिए. Done?
No.
Take out the screenshot now.
Ma'am,
Yes.
हो गया मैम.
Okay. So again we are doing the next sum. So what is given alpha and beta? So alpha plus beta is given 0 and product. Alpha into beta is given under root of 5. So what will become x square minus 0x plus under root of 5. So what will become x square plus under root of 5 is your required quadratic equation. Understood now? It is so simple. Right? So x square plus under root of 5 is your required polynomial. Required quadratic polynomial. Now next, 4th, 5th and 6th would be your homework. Will you be able to do it?
Yes.
पक्का ना? कर लोगे ना?
Yes.
So moving ahead with the next exercise. Exercise 2.3. Division algorithm for the polynomial. So what will there in the syllabus? So it is that what? Okay. Let me explain what is. Last time, if you remember, I have started the revision of. याद है किसी को? Tell you. Question 1 is that divide the polynomial p of x by the polynomial g of x and find the quotient and the remainder in each of the following. So whenever I will arrange in the ascending order only. Okay. So what is the first question? It is given x cube minus 3x square plus 5x minus 3 and we have to divide it by x square minus 2. Here x is not there. So what we will write? We will write here plus 0x. Is it clear to everyone? Is it clear to everyone?
okay.
Okay. Now what will you do now? Here x square is there, here x cube is there. So what we want? We want one x.
Only x.
Become x cube multiply 0x square multiply this will become minus 2x. Get it please? Now
Yes.
change the sign. Here minus and here minus is there. It will become plus. So this would be cancel it out. So what is remaining? Here minus 3x square plus 5 plus 2 become what? 7x and minus 3. That would be remaining. Right? Now again we have to equalize this term and this term we have to equalize. So what is that? X square is already which is? So only minus 2
So 3x.
minus 3
3
on.
only. 3.
Okay. Now this number you have to multiply with all these terms. What will become? Minus 3x square. 3 into 0x. What will become? Minus 0x only. And 3 into 2. What will become? Minus 6. Or plus 6. 3 2s are 6. And minus plus 6 will become. Okay. Now change the sign plus and minus. Right? So this is cancel it out. Minus 3x square and plus 3x square. Will be cancel it out. So plus 7x remain plus 7x only. And minus 3 minus 6 will be what? Minus 9. So what is your q of x? Q of x is equal to what? X minus 3. That is your quotient. And what is remainder? R of x is equal to your 7x minus 9. I hope you have understood this sum now. समझ में आया?
Yes, ma'am.
पक्का?
हाँ.
चलिए. Then moving on the second number then.
मैम रुको लिखना बाकी है.
Take a screenshot. Here I cannot take the 2 periods. 1 period में ही we have to complete the syllabus. So, यहाँ पास करो. लिखिए. चलो second question is that x is equal to 4. Here cube is not given. Is it given cube? No. So what we will write? We will write plus 0x cube minus 3x square plus 4x and plus 5. And we have to divide it by x square minus x plus 1. Right? Now I am going to erase it everything. अभी आप समझ लीजिए. Just now you just try to understand and do as a homework only. Okay. Now again we have to equalize. So here x square is there. Here x into 4 is there. So what we need? X square we want 2 plus 2 4 हो जाएंगे, right? So we require x 4. Now multiply become what? X into 4. X square into x 0 1. 1x cube only. Right? And x square into 1 becomes 1x square. Now change the sign. Leave it. Now here minus 1x cube is there. Minus 3 minus 1 become what? Minus 4x square. And this 4x will come down with the sign. Any doubt? Till that, किसी को भी doubt है तो बोलो.
मैम सेकंड वाला नहीं पता चला.
फिर से समझाने तो यहाँ पे माइनस हो गया, यहाँ पे प्लस. See, x square is there and here x into 4 is there. Right? So now we have to multiply x square into x square. X into 4, x square into minus x. We will get minus 1x cube. X square into 1 become plus 1x square. Now change the sign. Plus, minus, minus, plus and here plus for that. So we have written the minus. Now plus x into 4 and minus x into 4. Will we cancel it out? Now here. Only plus 1x cube is there. Minus 3 minus 1. Become minus 4x square and this 4x will come down. Now again. Here x square is there and here x cube is there. So what we require? Only x. यहाँ पे 2 है and here 3 is there. We require only 1. So from 1 we have to multiply. Again multiply with all 3. Right? So what you will get? Plus 1x cube minus x into x. 1x square x into 1 plus 1x. Now change the sign. This is cancel it out. Plus 4 minus 4 plus 1 become minus 3x square. 4 में से 1 गया तो plus 3x and plus 5. That will come down. Is it clear? समझ में आया? Have you understood? No answer.
Yes, ma'am.
चलिए. Here now again x square is there and here minus 3x square is there. So already it has x square. So what we want? Minus 3. We want minus 3. So now 3 into x square will be minus 3x square. Minus 3 into minus x. So what will become? Plus 3x. Minus minus plus in multiplication. Now minus 3 into 1. Minus 3 only. Now change the sign. Here plus, here minus, and here plus. This is cancel it out. Plus 3x minus 3x. Let us also cancel it out. Now plus 5 and plus 3 will be what? Plus 8 only.
Yes.
Now, what is your q of x now here? That is upper one. What you got here then? X square plus x minus 3. And what is your r of x? That would be a 8 only.
8.
Now, I just hope that you have understood little bit. आया थोड़ा समझ में?
यस मैम।
हाँ बोलो बेटा।
मैम ये जो यहाँ की साइन है वो उसको चेंज करना, मतलब प्लस हो तो माइनस करने और माइनस हो तो
हाँ वो क्यों करते हैं बेटा पता है आपको? सब्ट्रैक्शन में हम माइनस करते हैं, डिवीजन में क्या करते हैं? माइनस नहीं करते।
हाँ हाँ।
तो सेम वी हैव टू डू ओवर हियर। Here how can we minus? By changing the sign. Okay. So just try to do third, fourth, question number 2 also you just complete it. Your homework is question number 1 in third question and whole question number 2. In that 3 sums are there. You have to go for the division. In second, what you have to do? If your answer is coming, matlab remainder is coming 0, then it is a 0 of this. It is a factor of this polynomial. And if we are not getting answer, remainder 0, then it is not a factor.
It is not the 0 of the polynomial.
0 आता है आपका, तो it is a factor. Okay. हाँ ऐसे भी कर सकते हो, but whenever बेटा it is there ना, you convert first into the ascending order. Sorry, descending order. 4 के बाद 3 के बाद 2 के बाद 1. Then it will be appropriate for everyone. कभी गलती नहीं होगी in short. Okay? चलिए. So I have given the homework. I just hope that you will complete the homework also. Okay? And you will show me in the where you will show me tomorrow. You have to show me in your notebook. Okay? Note okay, madam. We will not show you, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So like this way we are ending up this class. Okay. Third sum we will do it tomorrow only. Third, 4 and 5th.
2.4 करनी है,
only है ना?
बट वो तो ऑप्शनल है ना।
करोगे तो आपके लिए अच्छा होगा, कर लेंगे हम. Okay. चलिए. Now we are ending up this class. Bye everyone.
Bye, ma'am.
Varun, just now you came.
Yes.
I'm just informing you. Complete the pre-test and the post-test in the Sarthi app.
क्या हुआ?
Sarthi app download करो and pre-test and
हाँ.
post-test you have to complete.
Okay.
Okay, tomorrow I want the result. So do it on time. चलिए now. Bye everyone.
बाय मैम।
Bye.